We have here a set of 5 6-inch plastic pots with holes on the bottom and a saucer to collect the excess water. And they're made so beautiful that you can almost believe that they're ceramic. And it sits like so. They're really pretty. Now all you have to do is just put your dirt in and put your plant in, and it'll really be beautiful. These are nice decor for indoors, outdoors around your patio, on your window ledge, on a cocktail table, and they will really enhance the beauty of your home. Add a little bit of water to show you how it will absorb and hold it on the saucer, will grab it for excess. Now we have a nice plant and we're going to put it on our table near a window, and really it's pretty. It's made very well, constructed, very sturdy. It's not flimsy at all, and it'll hold any kind of plant that you want. African violets, which I planted, or any kind of succulent. Okay, like I said, this is a 6-inch size pot, but they do make other sizes. They make them larger, smaller. You can go online and check for different sizes and colors if this product is right for you.